Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm one of the horticulturalists here at the Greenery Garden and Home. Today I'm going to be talking about summer flowering plants. This is a terrific summer flowering climber, a plant called Stephanotis or Madagascan jasmine. It's a warm climate plant. It grows very well in a pot in Melbourne in a warm, sheltered position. Prefers protection from extreme cold weather and probably better grown in a pot rather than in the garden. The perfume on this plant is absolutely sensational. So if you imagine this growing on a patio near a window and the window's open through the warmer weather, the fragrance that comes from this plant is fantastic. You'll get that emanating right through the room where the window is. Easy to grow, providing it's not overwatered. Prefers to be in a reasonably sunny spot, probably not direct hot western sun, maybe northern sun. Northeasterly aspect is ideal. When it's not flowering in summer, it has these quite attractive glossy green leaves, which are an added feature of the plant itself. Not a big climber, a light growing climber, so it doesn't need any heavy trellising, but would look good in a pot on a warm protected patio. It's not summer without a Frangipani in the garden. Now's the flowering time for these lovely perfume plants. Very hardy but not cold tolerant, so they need to be kept again in a very warm protected position. They do really well in coastal gardens that are free from frost, but can be grown in any situation in a warm protected spot in Melbourne gardens. Through the winter months they tend to lose their foliage because of the cold weather. They prefer to be dry, not overwatered, and kept in a patio situation where it's protected from those cooler months in Melbourne. Come in a range of colours, and every one of the colours is perfumed. They're also available as dwarf varieties in certain colours as well. Easy plants for those people that aren't good waterers, if you want something to grow well in a pot. These are Frangipani. Taste of the tropics. Bougainvillea is a great summer climber. Now's the time of the year for planting. They love the warm conditions, and being a tropical plant, thrive through Melbourne summers in the right location. Bougainvilleas come in a range of varieties and a range of colours. This particular one is called Bambino, and the Bambino does also come in a range of flower colours. Bamboo is a compact variety of Bougainvillea. They do well in pots, for instance, in a warm sheltered spot. And for those people that haven't got the room for a larger climbing Bougainvillea, these are a good option. Prefer to be kept a little bit on the drier side, need that warm, sheltered, sunny position, and flower for months, many months, right through the warmer weather. In the winter months, they just need a little bit of protection from extreme cold weather. So look out for Bougainvilleas. They're in store now and available in a whole range of colours. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you got a bit out of the summer flowering plants segment. Feel free to come and visit us here in store, and our expert team will be able to advise you on the range of plants that I've mentioned here in today's video. We're open 6.5 days a week, and we'd be happy to help with any inquiries that you may have.